give her a number. Sorry, I stand corrected, Madam Chair. Would like to request that Councilor Manfred Malabor here.
Councilor Malabor, you have the floor.
Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer. City Vice Mayor and Madam Presiding Officer, Lady Julie Grace Doronda, my fellow councilors, and colleagues in this august body, the Secretariat and the members or the staff, the guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, mayong aga sa inyo talaga. First and foremost, I give thanks to Almighty God for granting me the strength, the courage, and the opportunity to serve the people of Iloilo City. To my inspiration, ang akong tatay, former Mayor Mansing Malabor, whose love for the poor is unequaled. Thank you for your guidance in heaven. I extend my deepest gratitude to former Mayor Jerry P. Treñas, Mayor Raisa Treñas, and my whole Uswag family. Salamat gid sa pagsali. Thank you also to my Malabor and Dicao family, friends, supporters, and most especially to the Ilonggos who have entrusted me with this great responsibility. Without your faith and confidence, I would not be standing here today. Today is not just the beginning of a new term. It is the beginning of a deeper commitment to those who have long carried the weight of local commerce on their shoulders, our market vendors. For decades, market vendors have been the lifeblood of our city's economy. From the early hours of dawn until late at night, you provide food on our tables, income for your families, and a living culture of resiliency and hard work. As your elected city councilor, I am placing market vendor welfare at the heart of my legislative and advocacy agenda. I am here to ensure that you are not treated as mere background to development, but as key partners in Iloilo City's progress. My priorities for our market vendors are the following. First, access to capital and training. We will work with cooperatives, banks, and government programs to provide micro loans and skills training to help vendors grow their businesses and improve their livelihood sustainability. Second, fair market policies. We will safeguard your rights by ensuring that any ordinances or regulations affecting vendors are made with your participation and consultation. Third, social protection and health. We will push for access to PhilHealth, insurance, and other forms of social support for vendors and their families, especially during times of illness, disaster, or economic downturn. Fourth, dignity in livelihood. Above all, we will advocate for the recognition of vendors not just as workers, but as entrepreneurs, citizens, and culture bearers of our community. Sa aton nga mga market vendors, makasalig ka mo nga tupungan kugid kung hindi malabawan ang pagpalangga sang ako na may na si former Mayor Mansing Malabor sa inyo. For good governance and development, I also have the following priorities. First, transparent and accountable governance. We will ensure that public funds are spent wisely and that public service remain free of corruption and political bias. Second, sustainable urban development. We will push for green spaces, efficient transportation systems, disaster preparedness, and environmentally sound policies that protect our rivers, coastlines, and communities. Third, youth and innovation. We will empower young Ilonggos through education, skills training, and access to digital tools to prepare them for the future.